Welcome back to Carte Cooking's 12 Cocktails of Christmas. On this episode, we're doing another favorite of ours, a hot toddy. Who does not love going out to a fire pit outside and having a hot toddy with a cigar? Okay, maybe not everyone loves a cigar, but I love the cigar. My household loves the cigar. That's what we do. We're gonna do a hot toddy here. This is yet another cocktail that we love doing, and we want something nice and hot, a hot toddy. And you know what? It's a great remedy for colds too. But we are not always sick people, so this is just kind of a normal thing for us too. It's a good cold preventer, right? So in this hot toddy, you're gonna find various recipes online. What I like to do is I like to use a nice whiskey. Could be a bourbon, could be a rye, could be a blended scotch, or you can use Canadian whiskey from Costco. Those are good too. That's our base. Then we have water, hot water. We do honey, a little bit of lemon, and bitters. Now, not every recipe calls for bitters. I like to use bitters though. Just has that nice depth to it. So, we are going to do about 1.5 shots or 1.5 ounces of this whiskey. So we're gonna get 1 ounce here. There's one. And we'll get another 1/2 ounce. You can go more, you can go less, it really depends. Half the time I just eyeball it. But for you guys, we're measuring. All right, now use our gigantic knife for a little project. You could use a small knife for a big project, but I like the big knives. I also like to make sure that we get all of these seeds out because otherwise they go into the glass, which we almost did anyways. Okay, take our lemon, get some lemon in here. Now we're using a Meyer's lemon. You can use whatever lemon you have available. Meyer's is a fantastic lemon, super, super juicy. So you don't always have to use such a small little slice that I did here, but it is nice to have a juicier lemon. So you kind of have to gauge that a little bit. It's a little guessing game sometimes. Now, here we're using the honey. This is a local honey to us in the Pacific Northwest. How much honey you use, completely up to you. I kind of eyeball it, but it's probably about a teaspoon of honey. Now, because the honey takes forever to get off the spoon, we just kind of stick it right in there. We're gonna do about a dash to 2 dashes of bitters. I like to call it 1.5 dashes. And then the hot water. Now, for you guys, we are using the Chef Man hot water kettle. You can use a microwave, whatever you like. So you put in your hot water here. Nice. Stir that up. Because as you can tell, there's still honey. So you have to stir in the honey, get that all dissolved. We're using our Bodum cups here because 1, you guys can see how awesome it looks. And 2, they're double walled, so they hold their heat for quite some time actually. Okay, you can see that the honey's gone. We'll do a little taste test here. Ooh, man, that's good. And to top it off, a cinnamon stick. Is it required? No. Well, maybe it is. Cinnamon stick for lovely looks, and you have a nice hot toddy. Do be careful, don't burn your mouth. I've done this before. And during the holiday season, it's just one more drink that you guys can enjoy with friends, family, and kind of warms up the soul. Or choke on. Excuse me.
What are you dying on?
I have no idea. Love and joy of the holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay healthy. Oh my goodness. Well, here at Carte Cooking, nothing is perfect, I'll tell you that much. Woo! I'm not crying, I'm actually joking. And yeah, so happy holidays. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the 12 Cocktails of Christmas. And while I'm still dying here, please like and subscribe. It'll help me survive. And if you've got a cocktail that you love to make at home, we want to hear about it. Now, hopefully I'm gonna get rid of this scratchy throat that I'm dying from, apparently. Merry Christmas, everybody.